back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanese Danae. Please be sure to hit that little subscribe button, as well as don't forget to ring that little notification bell so that way you don't miss when I upload a video. Most importantly, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram so that way you can honestly just, you know, we can kick it, you know, you can comment and I can, you know, be more interactive with you guys. But I wanted to show you how I achieved this simple updo. Took me about 5 seconds to put this up. Literally, I'm probably being dramatic, maybe like 2 minutes to do this hairstyle. As you can see, this is what it looks like from the side, and then this is the back, like a half up. I don't even know what I got going on, but if you guys are interested, then keep watching.